page here, and we have a home. The right side there is a navigation. We have a home and a privacy policy. With this page, it's full of active components. You can list there. There are descriptions, there are images, there are some social sharing icons, and stay in touch for the email. Privacy policy. This page is linked at the bottom of the footer. What you can see here actually is that these blue frames, right? They are active elements, and when we step in, they are framing the components, and when you can just type the text, yeah, label. You're directly editing the text inside the component. For the images, you can see the update button, and you can change the image, change the styling, how it's fit, insert, blur, etc. You can put an image description. So they are all active elements, and we will learn a bit more about how to handle these components later on. But for the time being, you can see the page scrolls down. Everything is on one page, and it's fine. What we can do now is to actually publish, because as you can see, we are in the editor with some kind of go to the URL. But when we would like to view the page on the web, we need to do publish. Let's do that. And the publishing process basically means that from our working space, we will make a version which goes publicly on the internet. So it has been published, and you see there is a URL, zoomphotography.co.sites.com, and we can click and visit the site. You see, it's there. It's there. It has even a cookie banner. Everything is nicely positioned, and the look and feel is really nice internet page in a single view, single page approach. What we don't see is this workplace, right? There are not active elements to edit, so that's absolutely fine that we can see the outcome. What is proposed here is that if you would like to upgrade, you can select a plan or say not now, we are just fine for that one. Later on, we will see how we can connect our domain. The domain is basically if we want to have our specific URL. For sure, we want that, and we will work out most probably with ChatGPT how can we create new domain, register it, and put it on our website. For the time being, we will use this GoDaddy domain. Okay, that's fine. We've seen the components. Later on, we will learn what can actually duplicate sections, move sections, how we can add new sections. We go through all of that. For the time being, I would like you to finish your site, and once you finalize that, please let me know. Thank you.